Through no fault of your own, life can sometimes hand you challenging circumstances, leaving you uncertain about where to turn. When you suffer from the effects of personal injury, wrongful death, or a business wrong, choosing the right attorney who can help you is essential.
I contacted Jim Mills because I was in a collision on my bicycle. I was hit by a pickup truck that was pulling out of his driveway and ended up with a serious wound on my leg, a puncture wound. I went to the hospital and got it checked out. Seemed like everything was okay, getting treatment and dealing with my recovery. A couple weeks later, I ended up with blood clots both in my leg and in my lungs. Had a extended hospital stay because of that. Also lots of bills that were racked up because of that. Both navigating the health issues and trying to figure out how I was going to be able to pay all these bills was overwhelming and confusing, and so it was really a point that I needed that legal help to be able to navigate properly the insurance and what my rights were. And so Jim was a huge help in that and able to help me navigate what that looked like and make sure that we were able to get fairly compensated. I knew working with Jim would be different from the first day I walked into his office. He was immediately interested in my case and in my story. He wanted to know what had happened. He was a great listener. And I got an immediate sense that he really cared about my situation and wanted to help me be fairly compensated in my accident. Also wanted to make sure that I was navigating through doctor's visits and everything else, and to see me come out of this both healthy and able to pay my bills. And so that trust that he established from the very first day I walked into his office was really important to me. And all through the case working with him, he was always upfront. He was very direct and forward with where we were. I never felt like he was holding anything back. I had confidence that his communication with the other parties involved was straightforward and truthful and ethical, and I never had any worries that what he was doing was anything other than above board and just really, really great.
Whether you suffered through any type of serious vehicle collision, medical negligence, workplace injury, sexual assault, drunk driving incident, or entangled in commercial or business litigation, our goal is to make the Mills Law Firm your best choice to fight for you.
I would highly recommend Jim Mills for anybody else going through a situation like mine, because he was very responsive, his communication was always great, and he conducted himself in a very professional manner. He was efficient, his results speak for themselves. It was a just wonderful experience all around. I never had any doubt that I was in good hands with Jim.
I know that you're in a tough situation and that you have your choice of a personal injury lawyer. I will give you personalized service. I will treat you as my only client from the beginning to the end.
The Mills Law Firm. You never have to stand alone. Jim Mills has been awarded the highest ratings a law firm can receive, including recognition as an AV-rated lawyer by Martindale-Hubbell. He is also board certified by the Texas State Board of Legal Specialization in Personal Injury Trial Law and Civil Trial Law. Jim Mills also proudly carries a 10-star rating on avo.com and is a member of the College of the State Bar of Texas.